I made this. And then I soldered all the components, so we got rid of this nasty pile of wires. Remember this? As I have mentioned in my previous video, this was my first time building a PCB, and surprisingly everything worked fine, like amazing. Also, this was my first time soldering, and this went not as good as the PCB. Everything works fine, but I think it's quite ugly. This is my soldering. I'm not proud of it by any means, but I want to be honest on this channel and I show you everything as it is. This will have to do. Of course, there are still some wires for the motors and the sensors, but this will have to do as well. It already looks like the final piece, plus minus. There are, I think, two things left. One is to create the outer body, so everything stays connected as, again, one piece. And the second thing is to calibrate the displays and make sure that they are reliable and always work as expected. We might see the final version next week. I cannot tell for sure, but we'll see how it goes. And as always, keep in touch.